Now, I get asked this question a lot. Aaron, what is the accurate credit score? Is it from Credit Karma? Is it what my bank told me? Is it the website you told me? Which one is the correct credit score? And I'm going to tell you, all of them are. See, the thing with Credit Karma, right? Credit Karma is free. However, it does provide information that is on your credit report. And the score that is generated on Credit Karma is referred to as Vantage Score 3.0 versus, let's say, on Experian, it might be FICO 8 or FICO 9. Now, people ask me, well, which lender uses what? Like, if I go buy this car, which score are they going to look at? And the answer to that is no one knows but that particular car dealer or that particular bank. Because each business has different needs and they're only going to open themselves up to certain risk. So some companies can take more risk than others. So you might have one car dealership that works with this credit scoring model because they can take that risk versus another car lot that might not have as much assets might choose another credit scoring model that's a little bit more strict because they cannot take those big risks on loaning out money. So when you're trying to figure out, well, which score do I go off of? Don't focus so much on the score. Focus more on the credit report, having on-time payments, having on your credit cards and stuff paid down. Because no matter where you go, there you are. If you have good credit with FICO, 9 times out of 10, you have good credit with Vantage Score. And if you have good credit with Vantage Score, most likely you have good credit with FICO. Now, just because you're not at 800 or you're at a 750 in one credit scoring model and you're at a, let's say, a 680 at another, it doesn't mean that you're less likely to get approved. They're just scoring you differently. I've gotten approved for $10,000, $20,000 credit cards with a 680 credit score, and then I had a 750 and couldn't get approved for anything. So just understand that your credit health, which is your credit report, is more important than your credit wealth, which is your credit score. Now, if you need more tips like these, make sure you comment under this video and you say, teach me more. And I'm going to make sure I create more videos like this.